Um, so lots of work still to do in this room. We're going to move the computer and all kinds of stuff over into that cabinet. Do away with that heater. Still need drapes. But anyway, so here's the rug. Looking at it in the catalog and comparing it to my chairs from Penny's, it seemed to be the perfect match. But now looking at the rug and looking at the chairs, the rug really kills the chairs. The chair's really flat now. They used to be very brave and patterny and everything, and now they look kind of dull. I think maybe I'll get used to them if it doesn't seem to improve. I think a blanket over the back of the chairs and maybe over the arms might help, but maybe in a cream color. Still thinking about that. But anyway, it looks pretty good with the wall color. And my cabinet and this other little love seat.